Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation. We'll be exploring operation, maintenance, and janitorial management at the airbase. This session will focus on how we ensure safety, reliability, and operational excellence across all our facilities. Over the next few slides, we'll cover key strategies, best practices, and our commitment to maintaining a high standard of facility management. Let's get started. Welcome to Slide 2. Here, we're focusing on the administrative and command area, which is the heart of our operations. The main buildings in this area include the Air Command headquarters and officers' offices, where strategic decisions are made and leadership is based. There's also the Military Communication and Control Center, which is essential for managing all our communications and ensuring secure, reliable links. Additionally, the operations command rooms serve as nerve centers for coordinating activities and overseeing mission execution. Now, behind the scenes, a lot of critical operational tasks happen to keep everything running smoothly. For example, we maintain HVAC and fire alarm systems around the clock, 24/7, to ensure a safe and comfortable environment at all times. Managing electrical panels, lighting, and data rooms is also vital. These systems support our daily operations and keep the facility functional and secure. Lastly, we provide janitorial services, which might seem simple, but are crucial for maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in the offices and conference halls. These tasks help create a professional, safe, and welcoming environment for everyone working here. All these elements work together seamlessly to support our overall mission, ensuring that our command and administrative functions are always operational and secure. Let's take a closer look at the technical and maintenance zone. This area is equipped with several key facilities that are essential for smooth operations. First, we have the Aircraft Maintenance Hangars, where routine and specialized maintenance work is carried out. These hangars are designed to support the safety and efficiency of aircraft servicing. Next, there are the engine and hydraulic test shops, which are dedicated spaces for testing and troubleshooting critical aircraft components. Proper testing ensures that engines and hydraulic systems are functioning correctly before aircraft are cleared for flight. We also have spare parts and fuel storage, which are vital for quick turnaround times and minimizing delays. Having these supplies on hand helps us maintain operational readiness. Additionally, fire-protected closed hangars with cranes are in place to securely store equipment and support heavy lifting operations while ensuring safety. Now, moving on to our maintenance plan. It's centered around implementing a preventive maintenance schedule for all equipment and cranes. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected failures, keeping everything running smoothly. We also conduct weekly fire pump and alarm testing, following standards like NFPA 20 and 72. This ensures our fire safety systems are always operational and ready in case of an emergency. Lastly, maintaining a clean, non-flammable environment is a top priority. Keeping the area tidy and free of combustible materials reduces fire risks and supports overall safety. All these measures work together to ensure our technical and maintenance zone remains safe, efficient, and ready to support our operations at all times. Let's talk about housing and accommodation. This includes a variety of living options such as villas and apartments that are provided for both officers and personnel, ensuring comfortable and functional living spaces. We also have dedicated service areas, which include restaurants, laundry facilities, mosques, and playgrounds. These are all designed to support daily life and foster community. Additionally, there's a recreational club specifically for officers, offering a space for relaxation and socializing. On the operations and maintenance side, our team conducts daily inspections of HVAC systems and plumbing to keep everything running smoothly. Waste collection and pest control are also part of our routine to maintain a clean and hygienic environment. We implement a comprehensive cleanliness program that covers all areas, from individual rooms to corridors and public spaces, because a clean environment is fundamental to everyone's well-being. Overall, these housing and accommodation efforts are vital in supporting our personnel, ensuring they have a safe, comfortable, and well-maintained place to live and work, which is essential for the success of our overall mission. Now, let's take a closer look at the vital and utility facilities that support our operations. First, we have the substation, which handles voltage levels of 13.8 and 33 kilovolts, ensuring reliable power distribution throughout the site. Next, there's the water and sewage network, complemented by lifting stations that manage wastewater, keeping everything flowing smoothly. We also have a comprehensive fire protection system, including sprinklers, hydrants, and fire pumps, which are critical for safety and quick response in case of emergencies. Additionally, the field hospital and workshops for ground support equipment are essential for maintaining operational readiness and providing immediate medical support if needed. Turning to our operation plan, daily monitoring of power and water consumption is key to maintaining efficiency and identifying any issues early. We conduct preventive testing of pumps and generators to ensure they're always ready to perform when needed. Finally, compliance is a top priority. Adhering to standards like NFPA 13, 20, 25, and SBC codes helps us uphold safety and operational excellence across all these vital facilities. These components and practices are fundamental to supporting the overall resilience and safety of our operation. Now, let's take a closer look at the logistics and support area. This part of our operation is crucial for ensuring everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. First, we have our facilities, which include central warehouses and storage yards. These are essential for keeping supplies organized and readily available. Then, we have the offices for our contractors and civil staff, providing a dedicated space for planning and coordination. Additionally, our aircraft parking areas and runways are equipped with lighting systems, which are vital for safe aircraft movements, especially during night operations or low visibility conditions. Moving on to the maintenance scope, there are several key activities we focus on regularly. For example, we conduct weekly inspections of runway lighting to ensure everything functions correctly, maintaining safety standards at all times. We also support vehicle maintenance and operate our fuel stations, which are critical for the daily mobility of our equipment and aircraft. Lastly, we prioritize cleanliness in our yards and waste management. Keeping these areas clean not only supports operational efficiency, but also aligns with our commitment to safety and environmental responsibility. All these elements, facilities and maintenance, are interconnected, forming the backbone of our logistical support. They enable the entire operation to function seamlessly, which ultimately contributes to the overall success of our mission. As project manager, my main responsibility is to supervise all operations and maintenance, or O&M, and janitorial teams to ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. I also focus on developing a comprehensive preventive maintenance plan, or PM plan, to help us stay ahead of any potential issues before they become problems. Monitoring key performance indicators, or KPIs, is crucial, so I regularly review these metrics and prepare detailed monthly reports to track our progress and identify areas for improvement. Coordination is also a key part of my role, so I work closely with MODA and the Air Force Facility Department to ensure all our activities align with their expectations and requirements. Safety is always a top priority, especially ensuring that our fire and safety systems are 100% operational and ready at all times. To achieve this, I strictly apply standards such as NFPA, SBC, and MODA guidelines, making sure our operations meet or exceed industry and regulatory standards. All of these responsibilities tie back to the overall goal of maintaining a safe, efficient, and compliant facility that supports the mission effectively. Let's take a moment to look at our conclusion and vision. Our vision is clear: to maintain a safe, clean, and sustainable operational environment across all air base facilities. This means we're committed to creating a space that's not only secure and efficient, but also environmentally responsible. By focusing on this, we ensure that every aspect of our operations supports long-term sustainability and safety for everyone involved. It's about more than just today's needs. It's about building a resilient future. Now, for our closing statement, what ties everything together is our dedication to excellence. By excelling in operation, maintenance, and housekeeping, we're not just keeping things running smoothly, we're guaranteeing mission readiness, safety, and reliability. This commitment is what allows us to confidently face challenges and continue supporting our mission effectively. Remember, every effort we put in today directly contributes to a safer, more sustainable tomorrow.